We go arrest anybody wey we catch dey do jungle justice. Na police commissioner na im tok dis one. Edo State Police Command receive information from Afuze Police Division for Onwa East Local Government Area on the 17th of July 2021. Say some youths dey burn people wey dem suspect to be kidnappers for Uwoha community. Before DPO mobilize im men reach there, the youths overpower the vigilante crew wey be arrest the 5 suspects of kidnap and dem come burn the suspects to ashes. The Commissioner of Police Philip Obadu, wey SP Kotongs Bello represent, tell we tori pipo say make Edo pipo no dey take laws into their hands. Say make dem dey report the crimes to police station as na only police go fit solve problems the right way. E come also warn say dem go arrest anybody wey dem catch dey carry out jungle justice.
On the 17th of July 2021, the police at Afuze Division in Onwa East Local Government received an information from members of the public that some youths are burning some people that are alleged to be kidnappers who were arrested by vigilante through bush combing. So on the receipt of the information, the DPO swung into action, mobilized operative and moved to the scene. On arrival at Oha community, they met youth of Oha community and other adjoining villages around there. They overpowered the vigilante that arrested 5 suspects of kidnap. The 5 suspects were killed and set ablaze, were burned to ashes by the youth of the Oha community and other adjoining communities around the area. 2 cut-to-size guns were recovered by the vigilante in that area, and then 1 locally made pistol also, and 15 live cartridges were also recovered from the suspects. The police investigating the incident because it is not right for you to kill and burn or do jungle justice to suspect of a crime. You can have this suspect to be an innocent person. You can kill any innocent person at the process. So the Commissioner of Police, CP Philip Obadu, is calling on the indigenous of Edo State not to take laws in their hand. That at any time you suspect somebody of committing a crime, report to the nearest police station so that such person can be investigated. If found guilty, sent to court for prosecution. And if the person is found innocent, can be released and continue his own life. The Commissioner of Police is warning that anybody found guilty of jungle justice will be arrested. So we use this opportunity to call on members of the general public to be mindful of taking law in their hand and also to always report issues or suspected persons to the police.
Oga SP say police still dey investigate the incident and say e no know whether the kidnappers na Fulani herdsmen or not. But crime no get boundary as dem don arrest locals and non-indigenous across the country before for similar offense.
Investigation is ongoing to arrest anybody that is involved in that killing and burning of those suspects. At this time, I cannot tell you until we communicate to DPO or Area Commander Irua. Presently, as I'm talking to you, I have not received any news of arrest. But if that comes, I'll come back and I'll let you know. Crime doesn't have boundary. Presently, for these people that were killed and burned, nobody knows their identity. But let me call our attention to criminality. An issue of kidnapping in Edo State, where you have arrested locals, where you have arrested other people from other states across the country. So when it comes to crime, it's a syndicate that have common interests. There is no particular tribe that is known for particular crime. When it is crime, the interest is the outcome of the criminal act. So for now, we cannot say particularly this one that were killed are Fulani, this one that are killed are Onwa people, this one that are killed are from other states. But now we know 5 suspects have been killed and nobody has come forth and tell me, say, my brother is part of these people that were killed. Thank you.